Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing any issues to enable price alerts on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, enter your passcode. Once you get logged in into your account, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see the icon for this setting. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be provided with many options over here. Now just select the third option, price alerts. To get notified of price changes of your favorite cryptos, just toggle this option over here. Once you turn on the option, you will be able to get price alert of your selected or favorite cryptocurrencies. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna enable price alert on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.